Hello and welcome to Barty Taylor. Today I'm going to talk about Fiverr. You can create an account through Fiverr, it's all for free, by adding all of your details and subscribing to Fiverr. You can either be a buyer of all of the different gigs that they have available. Let's take a look here. It's an amazing platform to use, especially for multimedia, social media, and growing your audiences, things like that. Let's go here, switch to buying. I'll put in here music video. If I want to create a music video, I just simply type the details here. And click on search. What it then does is it displays all of the different people who have got their own gigs. They call them gigs on here. So let's have a look at this one. I will do a two-dimensional music video animation for your song. That's really amazing, and it's only $118. So with Fiverr, some of the gigs are for $5 US. And it goes upwards, and you can select a budget that you want and the maximum. Seller details, so if you want a top rated seller, you click on that. Speaks English and also lives in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany. Service options. So if you want to start your own business, which I've done, I've actually only just started. I've created a business account, and you can do that on Fiverr. And we'll switch to selling. It's very easy to use. And here's my Fiverr gig and business channel on Fiverr. I've created a bunch of different videos. It should bring them up in a minute. There we go. I've created a couple of videos for my gigs so that people can buy them on Fiverr. It's just another way of generating money and making money online. So we want to preview one of my gigs. You can upload photos and also a 50 megabyte video for advertising and marketing your gig. Here we are. I've got a really beautiful children's video, and basically what it is I've placed in animations. It's and just like here it says command out your name here. So what I do is I put the person's name in the yellow text here, and once the video has been edited with the person's name, I then send them the birthday MP4 video. So let's take a quick look here. Your name here, your birthday mission is to scout. Please get ready for takeoff. You are assigned as commander to your spacecraft, Falcon X-143. So this is perfect for children. Again, I've got the text here, which I will have to edit. it's finished. So that was just a snippet and preview that you can upload to Fiverr. Here's the different photos, which I just use as marketing for my gig. So I've got 2 gigs there available, and basically what you do is you add in your PayPal details to your settings. You can also refer people and get up to $100 of credits on your Fiverr account. So you have to add your PayPal account in order to get paid every time somebody purchases your gig. I haven't made any profits yet, as I've actually only just started on Fiverr this week, but I do know that people that go onto Fiverr, other sellers, other business people, are making a lot of money on Fiverr, just churning out gigs day after day, week after week. So it's really awesome. I think the more gigs you have, the more chance that you're able to get people interested in your gigs, your style of work, things like that. I plan on making up music videos and adding people's original music to the music video, and then once they've purchased it, I can then edit the music video with their name, the song details, download the music video, and then send it through to the customer. So it's really like a vendor type situation. You're basically there to help people and to serve people with your services. Excellent way to make money for free. Fiverr's great. I've been buying off Fiverr from different services for years now, and I absolutely love their products. The people are generally really lovely to work with. You do have to be careful of some people that are only there to take your money and not give you any services. Just got to be a bit wary of scams. One of the best ways to find out if the person is doing a good job and is legitimate is by checking reviews on their gigs. So usually they have a review tab up the top here. I can't display it at the moment, but once you read the reviews, it's okay. Okay, thanks very much for checking out my Fiverr gig today video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you from Bardi Taylor. Bye bye.